Hey everyone! Today, we're unboxing something truly exciting for all the car enthusiasts out there, a scale model of the iconic Toyota Land Cruiser 40 van. This is a piece of automotive history, and I can't wait to show you all the details. Let's dive right in. This model comes packed in secure styrofoam to ensure it stays safe during transit. It's great to see manufacturers taking that extra step to protect these collectibles. Now, let's get it out, and wow! Just look at this beauty. The craftsmanship is absolutely stunning. This die-cast model is incredibly detailed. One of the coolest features? It has a working suspension, just press down, and you'll see it move like the real thing. Small touches like this really bring the model to life. Let's check out the opening parts. Starting with the bonnet, Kyosho has included a stay rod to prop it open, just like the real car. Inside, the engine bay is packed with intricate components. It's clear a lot of care went into crafting this. Now for the doors. Look at the interior, the dashboard, instrument panel, and even the upholstery are perfectly replicated. It's like a mini version of the real thing. The spare wheel comes separately to avoid damage, and attaching it is a simple press-fit assembly. Just like the real Land Cruiser, the spare wheel can open, adding an extra layer of authenticity. At the back, the rear doors open to reveal a beautifully detailed interior, complete with a carpeted floor and premium-looking upholstery. The paint job on this model is flawless, perfectly replicating the original Land Cruiser colors. It's smooth, vibrant, and absolutely stunning. From the tiny badges and logos to the underbody details, every component is crafted to perfection. This model is a must-have for collectors and Toyota enthusiasts. Whether it's for your shelf or photography, it's a showstopper. You can buy this piece of history from our website www.scalearts.in. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing scale model content. Drop a comment below and let us know which model you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.